Hello everyone, and today we're going to learn how to give assignments to our students. For this reason we move to teacher practice area. We find this icon, we click on it, and we scroll down the screen and click on add an activity resource. Here we see assignment, and we get into this page. I decided to give my students an assignment about communication. In particular, how to start the public speech. We write down the topic here and we paste the assignment in this area. So I decided my students to work in teams. There will be 4 teams and 4 resources, and they will be searching for best strategy, how to start the speech, and I would like them to video record themselves. So, okay, and then we move further, and I allow submissions from today up to, let's say, okay, I will give them more time, let's say the 7th of February, and I will ask the program to remind me on the 12th, let's say. And there will be different opportunities to change the settings and the maximum number of uploaded files. There will be no, okay, let it be 1 to comment on something. Okay, I can choose the size of the file, feedback types, comment in line, let be, and recorder, I will say video recorder. Let them show in links if they need anything. Submission settings require students to click to submit the button, of course, and attempts reopened automatically until pass, and I will give them 2 attempts to pass. Okay, in groups, they work in groups, and that's why I will change these settings. No, not everyone will submit to the grouping for students. Okay, and notifications, notify graders about submissions. Let be late submissions, and as for grades, maximum is 10. In my country, maximum grade is 10. And no anonymous submissions, okay, and so on. As for availability on Moodle, okay, I will show on course page in group modes. Let them be visible. Okay, and that's all. I will save this task to my students, and they will get it in time. Thank you so much. So you see on this very page how to start the public speech. It's my file here. See you.